Today we are here in Gachibowli. We have opened our 40th outlet, which is also the third outlet in Hyderabad. So moving forward, the barbecues have been very well accepted by all our Indian guests, and we have been the pioneers in introducing the tabletop grills in the restaurants. And the concept, though it has all the stories saying it originated in the US or it originated in the remote forests of Africa, but when we brought it to India, we Indianized our marinations, our concepts, and we introduced a lot more variety. And when we say Indianized, it can be even we have brought in some coastal, we have introduced some regional food into it, like coastal or South Indian or even the Punjabi marinations. All these have gone into our marinations, and we have introduced a variety in barbecues. Also, to an extent, some fusion element also we have done that, because where East meets the West is nothing like it when you have everything together. Okay, so our barbecues definitely are moving forward and very well accepted. Also on the buffet, what we have done is that we have also introduced some variety of salads, and we call it as DIY, do it yourself. So wherein the guest mixes all his choice of vegetables, toppings, dressings, and then he makes his own healthy salad. And also we did a lot of innovation in terms of our cuisine, which is our mainly the food that is also on the buffet. We have 6 varieties of non-vegetarian items and some around 12 varieties of vegetarian items. Also, we are introducing on our dessert selection, we are introducing Kulfi Nation, which will have flavorful kulfis with different toppings, sprinkles, and crushers and other combinations. So altogether 790 varieties of kulfi combinations is what you can try at. So come down to Barbecue Nation and enjoy your food. My favorite cuisine. Okay, my favorite is definitely the tandoori food. Okay, though we have a tabletop barbecues, but tandoor is where we have our forte, and that's where we bring it, different marinations from different regions, and we incorporate in that. The customers, what they like, they come back for our Cajun spiced potatoes. That's a very wonderful dish, and crispy corn, and also the tangdi, which we call it as the barbecue tangdi, which has a red chili paste marination in it with a lot of ginger and garlic in it. So these are our few specialities that are very well welcomed by our customers.